What are you looking at? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unboxing two original Gucci bags. One is here, the other one is here. Let's open the easy ones first. So this Gucci bag is, yes, which one is it? Yes, it's Gucci Marmont. If I spell it right, Marmont. Yes, Marmont. This is the small size. Yes, I think small size, right? Yeah, it's small size. It's red. The color is red. It's tough leather. The buckle is here. It's under here. So you push it and you open the bag. There's a heart on the back of this bag. If you open the clip, you can see there's some paper inside the bag. Let's take out the paper. Yes, inside it's like this. See it? See it, touch it, feel it. Yes. There's a little pocket inside, so open the zipper. Inside the bag there's some responsibility cards. This bag is it's £1,500, I think, but I have discount on Farfetch, so the price is much lower. If you want discount on Farfetch, please don't hesitate to follow my Instagram and send me a message there. I would love to help you guys. At least 15% off, that's a lot of money. In case you wonder, yes, this is from Farfetch. The Farfetch logo here. The chain is dark brown. It's dark gold. Dark gold chain, same as this color. You can use it like 2 chains or 1 chain if you want to wear And the feeling is really, the back is really soft. It's like Chanel. Well, maybe not as good as Chanel, but it is like Chanel. It's like Chanel. So let's put the paper back so the bag has a better shape. And let me open the other pack for you guys. The other one is inside this box. Let me open it. Ta-da! 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 This bag is also the Gucci Marmont bag, but it's in black color. Yes, this one is black color and it's mini size. Chain here is like 1 chain, or you can use it like 2 chains if you want to wear longer, or you can make it like 2 chains. And same way to open the bag, you just push the button here and the bag is open. And inside there's actually one thing that's different about the different sizes. You see, in this mini size, there's no zipper inside. It just open. You can just put your card here, but there's no zipper like the small bag. There's logo. It is smaller. Just a single strap, or you make it like double straps. Let's compare those 2 bags. You see, the mini size is much smaller than the small size. See the difference? See the difference? I think if you are like less than 170 meters, if your height is less than that, I suggest you buy the mini size, because you can still put a lot of things inside. The space is quite big for the mini size. You can put your phones, your camera, your lipsticks. And if you are not that tall enough, but you want to buy the small size, it will make you look shorter. That's a bad thing, right? Everyone wants to look taller. So if you are much taller, I suggest you buy the big size. It will look good on you. The material is same. They are all tough leather. The metal the hardwares are the same material, and they both have the hearts here. Yeah, but personally I like the smaller size. But since they are women's bag, I'm not going to buy them, and I'm not going to wear them, although I can wear them actually if I want to, but I'm not going to. This is purchased on Perfect. You see the tag here, and this one as well. See the tag, you see the Gucci tag here. Yes, these two bags are originals. For the next video, I think I will do a fake bag review. I bought a fake Gucci bag, so I'm going to do that review video next time. In case you guys are interested, please follow my Instagram and subscribe to my channel, and comment below which size you might take, in the mini one or the smaller or the small size. Please comment below if you like those bags, and please just let me know so that I can make better videos for you guys. And always love you guys. Bye bye.